There's nothing like chilling with my girls. Just me and my divas taking over the world. Divas. Hey, divas. Let me tell you now, D-I-V-A-S.
Hey, it's your girl A. What's up, everybody? What's up? It's your girl April back in town, and look what I got to mess around. Girl, listen, we already know it's about to be a good video when it comes to my first wigs. You know, it don't get no better. They come with combs. Girl, they gave you 3 combs, adjustable strap, a drawstring, girl, and a removable elastic band. Girl, what more can you ask for but this right here? Now, this is one of my little tricks and techniques that I like to use sometimes when your knots may be a little bit noticeable or you just want it to look as natural as possible. You can get this mostly and mainly at any beauty supply store. Check Amazon. I'm pretty sure they got this stuff. But it's tape. I did go ahead and cut a piece off, and then I cut it in half because I really didn't need it that wide, just because this is already perfect. But sometimes you like to make the wig perfect. Now, as y'all see that hairline, girl, there ain't no getting better than this. I'm telling you guys, the best of the best of the best of the best of the best. Say less, okay? Now listen, I do like to put my wigs a little bit behind my hairline sometimes, just so that way you don't see any type of lace. You may not see no edges, girl. You really ain't gonna see much with my first wigs. But I like, and I strive for perfection, honey. I thrive for perfection. So, you know, as per usual, my sideburn hairs. Now, y'all did not see me adhere any type of glue or hairspray. Because, girl, you really don't need no hairspray with a My First Wigs. But I like to use some type of styling mousse or hairspray on my sideburns just so that way they don't go flapping in the wind. Now, let's just get started with this. Gonna go ahead and use my wax stick because you already know it's time for a hot comb pressing. Now, if I did forget to mention, this is their 14-inch, 13x6 pre-everything lace front wig, a Yaki straight bob, okay? And girl, when I tell you it comes perfected, it comes perfected. You can wear this right out the box. Now, of course, you may want to make some type of adjustments to it, like press it out, you know, pull that drawstring, you know, tighten adjustable strap, all that good stuff. You may even want to put a curl or two in this bad boy. I don't know, it's up to you. Now look at this hairline. Girl, look at the hairline. She is definitely ready to go. Put a little bit more of that wax stick on the front so that way I can hot press it, and baby, you good to go. You already know what My First Wigs, you getting the best of the best of the best. And look how thinned out and natural that hairline looks. Girl, listen, you ain't got to do no type of work. Now, Now, I thought I would go ahead and try out the 𝐃𝐫𝐚 hair tool. You know, it's one of those hot combs that you could just use, and I really feel like this is for beginners, so that way you don't burn no type of flesh. So it did only go up to 395 degrees, and as you see, I was sitting here trying to figure it out. It did come with this 24 karat gold hair serum, which smells really, really good, honey. And it kind of makes the hair shiny. I love anything shiny, especially when it comes to golds. But listen, we're going to try out this little flat iron hot comb thing by 𝐃𝐫𝐚. Now, like I said, it only went up to 395 degrees. My daughter got one of these, and when I tell you hers went up to 450, you could see the smoke coming out. Now, this one right here, it's okay. It's not giving me hot press. When I tell you the amount of pass-throughs that I had to do to this unit with this comb, you wouldn't believe it. I really feel like this type of texture, you should not use it with this type of hair tool. Like, I need the heat to be directly on this. Thank God the wig came the way it did, which was already damn near done, okay? But yeah, as for this tool right here, 395 degrees is not enough, honey. I'm gonna need it like 450, maybe even 500 if they make those. But you know, the hair serum smelled really good. I just really honestly feel like some things just need to be just left alone. And I mean, like, this is great for some hair textures, but for me, I like a sleek, straight pass-through with no revisits of a pass-through, meaning I don't want to be in the same resting spot for like 6, 7, 8, 9 pass-throughs. 1 to 2 is the most for me. But you know, if you have like finer hair, thinner hair, then this just may be for you, especially if it's wavy. Now, as for really curly, I'm not really sure how this is going to work out. But like I said, my daughter has one, and hers goes up to 450. Girl, when I tell you that one will have the smoke coming out of it, that one will definitely have the smoke coming out of it. However, I do like the aesthetics of it, like the color, the style, all of that, great stuff. But the one trickery was keeping the thing on and how to get it to raise the temp. I really was sitting there trying to figure out where was the 450 going to come in until I realized, girl, it only goes up to 395. So, you know, on my scale of 1 to 10, I'm going to give it like a 5, okay? Now, moving right along, you know I got to make sure that my part is crispy and looking natural as possible. I know y'all probably like, girl, didn't you use that flesh tape? So I did, and what? You know, sometimes habits are just hard to break. But look at that hairline. Look, girl, you cannot tell me nothing. She is sitting so pretty. Look at the hair. The hair is movable. The hairline is bomb. You did not see me put any type of hairspray or glue. My edges, they just look like they just natural coming through. Baby, do it like it's your B-day, okay? Do it like you born to slay. What am my first Wigs wig? You definitely slaying. This cap fits so good. I love how the drawstring just makes it a little bit more snug. And if you need extra security, girl, they got you covered with the adjustable strap too. Girl, listen, my first wigs, the best of the best of the best. Say less. Thin dial hairline, pre-cut lace, pre-styled for you. I'm coming. You want to say hi?
Ceremony.
You're good. Yeah, you're wearing it.
Let's take a picture. Cheese. Look at the camera.
It's not normal.
Look right here. Look.
For us
Look
to
right
be
there. Look at the camera.
around
Say
so much
cheese.
device.
You still smiling?
Yeah.
Yeah. You still smiling? So you know my little buddy had to come through and bless me. Girl, she is so much fun. I cannot believe she's already 3.5. Girl, time flies by. And when I tell you personality, she got a whole lot for you and for me, okay? Definitely it's always fun when the grandkids come in and get in the video. So, you know, she'll be back soon. But just to finish up, y'all, I will link everything down below. You already know your girl got to go. But my first wigs is the best of the best of the best. I love y'all, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.